Hello, good day everyone. This is Tevs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a Jumbo Sub 238-BT AM/FM stereo audio system. A crackling and hissing audio only. I will show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. A crackling or hissing audio issue is a problem with the main amplifier or preamp, or the source, like Bluetooth or the other sources. To identify the problem is simply disconnect the main input from the sources. This connector is from the sources, like Bluetooth, AM, FM, or the inputs. The crackling sound is still there. So the problem is in this power amplifier, and it could be the preamp or the main amplifier. So let's unscrew the power amplifier and trace the problem. There are other repairs that I don't make videos of. They are backlight issues and cutting of CKV lines, which are basics. This video is also basic, but at least I have a different video, and I hope you like it. These two ICs are the preamp of the subwoofer and the left and right amplifiers. The circuits are clean, and seems they are not causing the crackling and hissing sound. I have not yet done anything, but the crackling and hissing sounds have disappeared. Seems the amplifier has returned to normal at this time. But I smell something burning. This IC is burning. The IC is the subwoofer amplifier. This is the burned IC. The speaker line is also connected to the other amplifier. The two TDA 2030s are connected as a bridge amplifier, also known as a bridge-tied load, or BTL configuration. This simple diagram shows how it works. The input audio signal is fed normally to the non-inverting input of the first TDA 2030 IC. A portion of this amplified output is sent to the inverting input of the second TDA 2030 IC. By combining two mono 14-watt ICs in a bridge topology, the circuit effectively doubles the voltage swing across the load, delivering nearly 4 times the theoretical power of a single chip at the same supply voltage. Only one of the ICs is burned, but we should replace both of them. So let's remove and replace them. Let's add a soldering lead so we can easily suck it out using a soldering pump. The part number is 2030. It's a TDA 2030 for sure. No more explanation of how to solder the IC, so let's speed up the video and add music. Don't forget to apply thermal paste. The two ICs has been soldered perfectly in place. Now let's try it if we have audio. We have audio on the subwoofer and the left and right amplifiers. Let's plug in the source audio now. Sounds like we have good audio.
A few moments later.
All audio controls are working, and the audio sounds great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from this video. You can support this channel by liking and subscribing. Click the notification bell to stay updated. Once again, this is Tebs. See you again next time. Bye for now.